The Pintuck foot works in conjunction with a twin needle to create raised tucks in the fabric. The Pintuck foot is used for embellishing garments and table or bed linens. The best results come from lightweight fabrics such as batiste, silk, and organdy. This foot has a series of evenly spaced grooves on the underside, which not only keep the tucks from being flattened as each row is sewn, but they ensure that each row sews perfectly parallel to the last. After the first tuck is sewn, the grooves are used as guides for the subsequent rows of stitching. Attach the Pintuck foot. Remove the standard needle and insert a twin needle. A Singer twin needle, style 2025, is recommended. Thread the machine with 2 spools of thread, one spool on the standard spool pin and the other on an auxiliary spool pin or thread stand. Thread both threads together through the machine's thread path until reaching the needle. Place one thread into the eye of the right needle and the other thread into the eye of the left needle. Using a fabric marking tool and a ruler, draw a line on the fabric where you want to sew the first tuck. Set the machine for straight stitch with a medium stitch length. Experiment by sewing on a piece of scrap fabric to find the result that best suits your project. If desired, increase the upper thread tension for a more pronounced effect. Sew the first tuck holding the fabric taut. When finished sewing the first row, move the fabric and place the first tucked row in the desired groove on the foot. The first sewn tuck serves as a guide for the next tuck to be sewn. Another interesting effect is to sew intersecting rows of tucks to create texture in fabric.